today, another family favorite. I'm not quite sure the origins of this recipe, but I'd like to think it goes something like this. When I was young, I lived in Paris, and I absolutely loved the Croque Monsieur sandwich. So much so that I believe that my mother came up with this recipe to stop Philippe from pestering her to make it so much. It's quick, it's easy to make. It is basically ham and Swiss melt on a piece of French bread or on a baguette. It's been a family favorite for as long as I can remember. I think you're gonna love it too. I now call it le faux monsieur, as in the fake Croque Monsieur. Here's the mise en place, what's necessary to make the ham and Swiss cheese melt, or le faux monsieur. We have our Swiss cheese, our ham, and a baguette, and a little bit of butter, and we'll use the broiler to finish this off. So the first step will be to cut the baguette into nice 6-inch pieces and then cut them in half. So here I've cut them into the baguette into 4 pieces, about 6-7 inches long. And now I'll just cut it in half this way. As you can see, I've cut them all in half, and there's no need to cut the heels off. They're going to be just great. What I'll do is put some butter on these. We'll put them in the broiler. And so now we've buttered the bread. I'm going to go ahead and put it into the broiler for about a minute, minute and a half, just to kind of melt the butter, get it a little bit toasty. It doesn't need to be golden brown, but just toast it just a bit. So I went about a minute and a half. They aren't golden brown or anything like that, but the butter is definitely melted. They're a bit toasty. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich. I'll do about 2 pieces of ham per sandwich. We have the Swiss, just to cover. And now we'll go back into the broiler until it's a beautiful golden brown and all melted. Here you have the finished beautiful little golden brown. A little bit of burnt edges is fine, but nice beautiful golden brown cheese on the top. I call it the faux monsieur, as in a fake Croque Monsieur. I do have a video on how to make Croque Monsieur as well. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe.